Hello everyone, welcome to linuxhelp.com. Now I'm going to explain how to install Wordpress CMS application on MX Linux 17. First of all, Wordpress is the most powerful and popular content management system application. The Wordpress is a content management system that allows you to create and publish your content on the web. Although it can be used for web publishing and manage content on the internet or in a single computer. Initially, Wordpress CMS application requires a observer to functionally based on LAMP setup on your system. In my case, I have already installed and configured LAMP setup on my system. So I have to proceed the installation of Wordpress CMS application on my system. Now I am going to download a Wordpress CMS application package using the following command. Then hit enter. The package is downloading now. The downloading is completed now. Now we can list out the files. And then here we can see the downloaded file. The downloaded file is a zip file, so we need to unzip the package using the following command. Then hit enter. The unzipping is completed now. Now we can list out the files. And then here we can see the Wordpress CMS application directory. Now we have to move this directory into the following path. And then here I have to mention a destination. Then I'm going to change into the following directory. And then here we can list out the files. And then here we can see the Wordpress CMS application directory. And then here we have to change ownership and permission of the Wordpress CMS application directory using the following commands. Now I'm going to create a new virtual host configuration for accessing a Wordpress CMS application. And then here I have to create a new file. Then hit enter. The file is open now. And then here we can proceed the virtual host configuration. After making a virtual host configuration, we have to save and quit from the file. Then we need to enable the site accessing for new creation of virtual host configuration. Then we have to disable the default site access. Then we have to enable the rewrite module. Now we have to restart the Apache service using the following command. After restarting the service, we need to open a browser. The browser is open now. And then here we can give the following URL. And then here we have to mention a local IP address or a domain name. So I have to give my domain name. Then hit enter. The site is open now. And then here we have to choose the language for using a Wordpress CMS application. After choosing the language, we have to click continue. And then here we can see the compatibility checking to install a Wordpress CMS application. And then here we have to click let's go. And then here we have to configure the database detail. In my case, I have already created the database and database username and give the privileges to access the Wordpress CMS application database. So here I have to give my detail. After configuring the detail, we have to click submit. The installation is ready. So here we have to click run the installation. And then here we have to configure the site information and admin user credential. So here I have to give my detail. And then here we can see the automatic generated password for admin user. So here we have to copy this password. Save the password into the safe zone. After configuring the detail, we have to click install. The installation is completed now. Now we have to click login. The site is open now. Now we are in a login page of WordPress CMS application. And then here we have to log in with the help of using admin user credential. So here I have to give my detail. Then we have to click login. The site is open now. Now we are in a admin dashboard of WordPress CMS application. And then here we can see the admin user profile. And then here we can see the major configuration modules. And then here we can see the version of WordPress CMS application. In this way too, you can install a WordPress CMS application on MX Linux 17. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel Linux Help. If you want further more videos, please visit www.linuxhelp.com. If you have any queries, please mail to support@linuxhelp.com.